Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your player info in T3 Arena. In T3 Arena, your player profile shows stats like name, trophies, heroes, and gameplay history. So if you prefer privacy or want to keep your information hidden from other players, the game lets you manage certain visibility settings. So first of all, launch Open T3 Arena on your device and wait for the home screen to load. And once you have this home screen over here, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, select Account. Under Account, go ahead and choose Privacy Setting at the top right. And then, right where you can see Allow others to see your player info, click on Off. You can also hide other options such as allowing others to see your profile, make sure to turn it off as well. If you don't want others to see your match history as well, you can tap on Off right next to it. From there, you can customize other privacy settings such as allowing or not allowing team-up reservations. If you don't want any, just turn it off from this page. So once you do that, your privacy settings will be applied immediately. Go back to the home page and start the game. That's how you can easily keep your player information hidden in T3 Arena. From now on, your profile, stats, and online activity will be protected and visible only to you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.